Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to replace your car battery. This is a Toyota Camry 2006. I will walk you through how to replace it. Stay tuned. First thing we need to do is take off the top connector to the body of the car. So we're going to use the ratchet to take off the nut on it, so both sides. And once you take off the nut on both sides, this has a small hook there, so it comes along with the hook. Once we take off the nuts, the hook comes off too. So keep it safely so that once we have it ready to put back, we have everything available for us. So if you see, there's a lot of acid debris on the negative and positive terminals, so we need to clean that before we install the new battery. So also, since this is the negative side, now I'm opening the positive side cap. So now we need to it might be difficult initially because there's a lot of debris and dust on the terminals. So we try to make sure that we're able to turn the nut out. And so sometimes it's difficult, so you might have to try two different things to get the nut out. So once you get the nut on the negative side, the next step is to take it off the battery, and then we take off the nut on the positive side, positive terminal. So and then we clean the area of the terminal. So now there is a washer. We keep the washer for the next new battery. We do the same as I said, remove the positive terminal off, and once we remove that, the battery is ready to be lifted from the base. So we should be able to remove that. The battery is taken off. There's a lot of dust. We make sure the terminals are cleaned up. We use a brush to clean that up. We need to get a metal brush so that we can clean up the debris. And now if you see, if everything is clean and ready, so I connect the negative terminal first and tighten the nut on that side, and then put on the positive terminal and tighten that side. So we make sure that it's tight enough so that it doesn't move around too much. So we don't want the battery move around when we're driving. So make it tight enough and not too tight that the threading could break. So we are tightening it now on the negative side and now the positive side. So always remember to take off the negative side first and take off the positive next. And even while putting it back, put the negative first and then positive. And once the nut is put in on the positive, put the red cap back onto it. And now we put the item which is going to hold the battery to the body of the car. So we put back the hook and then put those nuts onto that. So now pretty much we are ready to test starting the car. So we should be able to, once we make sure that the battery is tight and sitting very very cleanly. So now we are ready to go. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.